80% of your child's brain is developed by age 3. Your baby is thinking and learning all the time, while they won't even realize it. How can we make the most of this important time as parents? Peekaby Play Kit helps you make the most of early brain development while bonding with your little one. Once every 2 months, you'll receive a box with play essentials that are just right for your child's developmental age. The Play Kit is comprised of new toys that support the development of the body, cognition, language, and emotion. They're designed by child development experts and tailored to your child's exact stage. Last but not least, Peekaby playthings are safe to play with as they're made with sustainable and natural materials. They're made with sustainable wood, non-toxic paint, and cottons with child-friendly design. Each kit comes with a play guide that is available to make this Montessori education easily possible at home. The guide walks you through the different ways to play and explains how it matches up with how your child is growing. We're supporting every parent to feel confident for raising a child. You can be sure you're giving your child the very best from birth. Babies learn through play. Peekaby Play Kit.